In Bntouch, you have the ability to integrate your Facebook ads account with your CRM, allowing you to import leads from your company's Facebook account and create audiences of CRM records for your advertising. To sync these accounts, open your Marketing tab and click the Social Marketing sub-tab. If you can't see this option, click the More drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the screen to display other sections. Here, the options available for social media integration are separated into three categories: social posts, Facebook ads, and admin status. The latter option will only display for administrative accounts. This video will focus on the second section, Facebook ads. If you run ads using the Facebook ads service and would like to show them specifically to your Bntouch leads, clients, and partners, you can add them as audiences that will be eligible to see those ads. These can be managed in your Facebook Ads Account Manager in the Audiences section. Before creating an audience, you need to sync your Facebook Ads account with your Bntouch CRM. This will be a similar process to connecting your social media accounts before. If you already have this account synced, you will see a Logged As displayed here and have a Log Out option to disconnect the account. Below, you will see a list of any current audiences created with your CRM that can be synced to Facebook ads. To make a new one, just click the Create New button above the list. In the pop-up that appears, you can choose which database of records you want to include, enter a name for the audience for your own organizational purpose, and add a brief description. Use the checkboxes below to select which Facebook ads accounts you want to sync the audience with. Then choose which CRM users' records will be included in the audience. Below, you can enter filter criteria in the same way you would add campaign triggers to a marketing campaign. Click Add Another to add a filter. For the filters, choose what record fields will be searched, how they will be searched, and what content will form the criteria for inclusion in the audience. For example, you may wish to show some ads to clients whose marketing sequence equals lead, or whose loan purpose does not equal purchase. Once you have all filters entered, click the Create button to add the audience to your list. You can edit or delete audiences from this list using the icons to the right, and you can sync them with your Facebook ads account at any time by checking the boxes to the left and clicking the Sync Selected with Facebook button above. If you do not wish to do this manually, your audiences will sync with Facebook overnight. In the Lead Downloads section, you will see a separate list of imported records from Facebook. To import records this way, you will need to create one or more campaigns in Facebook with a lead generation objective. From your Facebook Ads Manager, be sure the ad you create uses the lead generation form for the consideration objective. In your lead downloads list of your CRM, choose the advertising page with your lead generation form from the Page drop-down menu. Then, select the form from the next menu. In the Source field, enter text that you would like to appear as the lead source for the leads in your CRM. Once ready, click Add New to set up the lead download source. You can download new leads from Facebook manually using the checkboxes to the left and the Sync Selected with Facebook button above the list. Alternatively, the leads will be synced automatically overnight. New leads from Facebook should be downloaded to your Bntouch account within 15 minutes of their creation in Facebook. To customize which information is entered to each record field in your CRM when importing leads from Facebook, click the Lead Mapping link. Here, you can select which CRM record fields will be used for each text field in the Facebook lead generation form. You can also view a report of leads that have been imported from Facebook using the Lead Report link. Here, you can filter the report by CRM user, view lead IDs for the record, open the record in your CRM, and check the status of imported leads. Any leads that have not successfully been imported to records in your CRM can be re-downloaded here. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the Bntouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.